Okay guys, this looks so beautiful and yummy. Wow, look at that juicy
Yo.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my amazing family, my amazing people. You guys are doing wonderfully well. Okay guys, in today's video I'll be making Italian rice ball. Okay, I'll be using this white wine to make the recipe. Okay, this wine, I'm selling it. I have it in cartons. I have the red and this one is the white. I'll be using this white wine. So feel free to contact me if you need it. I'm gonna ship it wherever you are. Okay, this is my white washed rice. This is my eggs. This is my butter. This is my Italian milk cow cheese. This is my normal cheese. This is a mixed grated Italian cheese. This is my parsley. This is onion. This is my green pea, chicken broth, sliced gizzard. This is chicken gizzard. Okay, this is my breadcrumbs. Okay, this is my flour, and I have my olive oil. This is the wine. I'll be using 1 cup or 1.5 cup of wine to make this recipe. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is to put olive oil, and I'll be putting my butter. So I'm gonna add my onion. So I'm putting my chicken gizzards. Now I'll allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now I prefer to use this gizzard because I just like the taste. Okay, if you like to use ham or whatever that you want to use, or beef, you can use what you want, but I prefer using this chicken gizzard. Okay, I think it's time to put my rice. This is 2 cups of rice. It's already washed. Okay, it's time for me to put my white wine. I think 1 cup is okay. I'm gonna stir it. So I'll be putting my chicken broth. A teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm gonna stir it and cook it for about 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes and more, Okay, this is how the rice is. So I'll be putting my peas, green peas. I'll stir it and cook it up for about 3 minutes more. So at this point, the rice is ready. So I'm gonna bring it down and transfer it to a bigger bowl. So guys, I'll be inside here. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to get cold for about 10 minutes or until the rice is cold, okay? So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Just grab your popcorn and keep watching. So the rice is cold enough, so I'll go ahead and add my parsley leaf. This is my grated cheese. This is my milk cow cheese. So I'm gonna give it a nice stir. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it as a ball. I'll be using this spoon to scoop the size of the ball. I think this size is okay. Okay guys, this is a rice ball, so I'm gonna go to the next process. Okay, so I'm gonna dip it inside my flour. Then inside the egg. Then lastly inside the breadcrumbs. And I repeat it again. So this is how I'm gonna do everything the rest. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I already have my vegetable oil. Is hot enough, so I'm gonna be dipping it here. When you are doing it, you have to be very careful. So I will allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, I think at this point it's ready. I have to bring everything out to inside the paper towel. Okay guys, this is it. Looks so beautiful. Okay guys, this looks so beautiful and yummy. Wow, look at that, juicy yummy. Let me test it. That's good, so sweet. Oh my goodness, guys, you have to try this recipe out. It tastes so good. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Please give this video a fat thumbs up, okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye for now.